It's very dramatic driving a Lamborghini. Every car I have, I modify all of them. I just wanted it to be unique to me. My grandmother always been telling me since I was a little kid, if you work twice as hard, doesn't matter what you do, you'll get somewhere in life. I've switched career many times. I've tried different businesses many times. It was a rough way to figure out what you wanted to do and to make money at the same time. When I had doubts, I figured, listen, if I don't try, I'll always be here. If I fail, I can always go knock on my parents' door. Mom, can I come home? If you don't take a step forward, you're always going to be in the same place. And if you don't ask, the answer is always no. Booked the flight. The very next day, I flew out to Palm Beach. When I first got to the dealer, oh my God, it was like a dream come true. I wasn't paying attention to the salesperson. I was circling around the car trying to get in. I was so excited. I always wanted to drive one. I never gotten a chance. That was my first time to actually drive a Lamborghini that I was gonna own. That feeling was very different for me. I feel like I have achieved my childhood goal. It's like I've reached a milestone. It's very special to me. After 6 weeks, when I drove the car, I thought it was a little slow. The car came stock, 640 horsepower. Because of that, I decided to actually put a supercharger in there, a VF supercharger. I got it specially tuned by Labworks. It's been very instrumental in making this car even more special for me. And with the supercharger, it's now 900 horsepower. Supercharger makes a big difference. It's so aggressive. It's like you're getting shaken up like a rag doll in there. You can't hear your friends telling you to stop because the exhaust is so loud. I just love the way the car feels, drives, the way it looks, the memories I have with the car. It's a great experience. All these years I've been struggling with what I wanted to do and how do I make money. And it's not about the cars I have or the assets I have, it's more the inner peace that I'm able to achieve. It's a very comfortable feeling, it's a good feeling. I'm just very blessed to have a lot of good friends and a lot of loved ones that's surrounding me and to support me unconditionally. Whether I'm driving a Jeep or a Lamborghini, they're always there. They will never leave me. I consider that my success.